Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create an eBay account step by step. Whether you want to shop for amazing deals or sell your items online, having an eBay account is your first step. Now let's dive into the topic. First of all, open your web browser and go to the ebay.com, or if you have already downloaded the eBay app, open it on your phone. The process is similar on the both platforms. On the home page, look for the register button. On the website, it's at the top corner. Tap on the register. Now you will be asked to choose an option to create your account. You can continue with email or Gmail or also with Facebook, or if you want to create a business account, here's an option for create a business account too. Now choose the option that you prefer. I am going to continue with Google. Tap on it. Now choose the email account through which you want to create an account. Now tap on create an account. Here you will be presented some fast and secure sign-in with the passkeys. You can use the fingerprint, PIN, and next generation security. Sync your devices through it. For now, skip it. Tap on continue. Now you will be asked to create a passkey. Tap on continue. Here I am using my biometric, that is my fingerprint. Now tap on got it. Once confirmed, tap on got it. Now allow the notification. Tap on allow. Let's check it out. For that, tap on my eBay at the bottom of the screen. And that's it. You have successfully created your eBay account and are ready to explore everything it has to offer. If this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.